When my boyfriend Tom proposed to me, I was so happy. My hands were shaking. My eyes were full of tears. He got down on one knee. He opened the small ring box. And then, I saw the ring. It was beautiful, but it was not mine. 2 years ago, I had shown Tom a picture of my dream ring. A small diamond. A gold band. Simple. Elegant. The ring in the box was huge. It had 3 diamonds. The band was silver. It looked expensive. It looked fancy. But it was not me. And Tom knew it. So why did he buy the wrong ring? Today, I want to tell you the story behind that ring. It is a story about love, listening, and a surprise that I will never forget. Let me go back 2 years. Tom and I had been dating for 1 year. We were walking through the city. We passed a small jewelry store. In the window, there was a beautiful ring. I stopped walking. "Come look," I said. "That is my dream ring." It was a small diamond. A simple gold band. Nothing fancy. But to me, it was perfect. Tom looked at it. "It's nice," he said. "Small though. That's why I like it," I said. "I don't like big, expensive things. I like simple things. Things that feel real." I took a picture of the ring on my phone. I showed it to Tom. "Promise me," I said, half joking. "If you ever propose, get this ring. Not something big and crazy. This one. Simple. Gold. Small diamond." Tom laughed. Okay. I promise. The small gold one." I thought he was joking, but he was not. 2 years later, Tom and I were on vacation. We were at a beautiful lake. The sun was setting. The water was orange and pink. Suddenly, Tom got down on one knee. My heart stopped. "I love you," he said. "I have loved you since the first day we met. Will you marry me?" He opened the ring box, and I looked inside. The ring was not my ring. It was huge. 3 diamonds. Silver band. Very fancy. Very expensive looking. I stared at it. My mouth was open, but not in a good way. Tom saw my face. His smile disappeared. "What's wrong?" he asked. "Tom," I said slowly, "this is not the ring I wanted." Tom stood up. He looked confused and a little hurt. "What do you mean?" he asked. "It's a beautiful ring. It cost me 3 months of saving." "I know," I said. "But remember? 2 years ago? The jewelry store? I showed you a picture. Small gold band. 1 small diamond. I told you that was my dream ring." Tom's face changed. He remembered. "Oh," he said. "Oh no." He sat down on the grass. He put his head in his hands. "I'm so sorry," he said. "I completely forgot. I went to the jewelry store. The salesman showed me this ring. He said it was the most popular one. He said every girl wants a big diamond. I thought you would be happy." I sat down next to him. "Tom," I said, "I'm not angry. I'm just surprised. This ring is beautiful, but it's not me. You know me. I don't like big and fancy. I like simple." He looked at me. "I do know you," he said. "I was just stupid. I listened to a salesman instead of listening to you. I'm really sorry. We did not get engaged that night." Tom put the ring back in the box. We went to dinner. We talked. We laughed. But the ring sat between us like a small, expensive problem. The next day, Tom said, "I want to fix this. Let's go back to the city. Let's return this ring. Let's find the right one." So we did. We went to the jewelry store. Tom explained everything to the salesman. The salesman was surprised. He had never seen anyone return a big diamond before. "Are you sure?" the salesman asked Tom. "This is a very popular ring." "I'm sure," Tom said. "I want the small gold one. The one my girlfriend showed me 2 years ago." The salesman went to the back of the store. He came back with a small box. He opened it. There it was. My ring. Small diamond. Simple gold band. Perfect. Tom looked at me. "Is that the one?" he asked. I smiled. "That's the one." Tom paid for the ring. The store gave him back most of his money. The small ring was much cheaper. We left the store. Tom held the small box in his hand. "Can I try again?" he asked. "Right now," I said. Here on the street? Yes, he said. Right now. Here on the street. He got down on one knee. On the busy city's sidewalk. People were walking around us. Some people stopped to watch. I love you, Tom said. I love your simple heart. I love that you don't want big and fancy. I love that you told me the truth about the ring. I promise to listen better. I promise to see you. Really see you. Will you marry me? He opened the box. This time, I did not stare with my mouth open. This time, I cried happy tears. Yes, I said. Yes, yes, yes. A few people on the street clapped. An old woman said, "Congratulations." Tom put the ring on my finger. It fit perfectly. That was 3 years ago. Tom and I are married now. I wear the small gold ring every day. I never take it off. People sometimes see my ring and say, "Oh, it's so small. Why didn't you get a bigger one?" I just smile. Because this one is mine, I say. This one is me. And Tom? He learned something from the wrong ring experience. He learned that love is not about buying the most expensive thing. Love is about seeing the other person. Really seeing them. Knowing what makes them happy. Now, Tom is a great gift giver. He buys me simple things. Books I want to read. Tea I like to drink. A warm sweater for winter. Nothing fancy. Everything perfect. Sometimes he jokes about the wrong ring. Remember when I almost married you with the wrong diamond? He says, "You mean the 3-diamond monster?" I say. We both laugh. That experience taught me something important about love. And about honesty. When Tom proposed with the wrong ring, I had a choice. I could have said nothing. I could have smiled and worn the big diamond and pretended to be happy. Many people would have done that. But I love Tom. And love means being honest. Even when it is uncomfortable. Even when it might hurt feelings. Tom was hurt for 1 minute. But then he understood. And we fixed it together. That is what love is. Not getting everything right the first time. But being willing to try again. Being willing to say, "I made a mistake. Let me fix it." The wrong ring became the best thing that happened to us. Because it taught us how to talk. How to listen. How to choose each other. Not just with big gestures, but with small, honest moments. And that is worth more than any diamond. Thank you for listening to this Level 3 English story. Before we do our grammar and vocabulary lesson, here's my question for you. Have you ever received a gift that was not what you wanted? How did you handle it? Or have you ever given the wrong gift? Tell me your story in the comments. I read every comment. Now, let's learn some English from today's story.
In the story, Tom got down on one knee to propose. This is a fixed expression. It means to kneel on one knee, usually to propose marriage. Example, he got down on one knee and asked her to marry him. Example, I was so nervous when I got down on one knee. You can also use it without marry. The coach got down on one knee to talk to the child.